Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 24th of July. And first of all, national news. After bumper profits, centers scrap 30,000 crore capital support to oil firms. In NEET exam, over 4 lakh students will lose 4 marks over physics question. Budget 2024. For the first time, private sector allowed to invest in atomic energy. Union budget to benefit all segments of society, PM Modi said. Gautam Adani welcomed Bhutan PM King at Khavda Energy Site, Mundra Port in Gujarat. International news. WHO extremely worried at prospect of polio, other outbreaks in Gaza. Netanyahu met families of Israeli American hostages held by Hamas in US. July 21 was world's hottest day ever recorded, a report said. George Clooney backed Kamala Harris, hailed Biden for saving democracy. Bangladesh student group leader suspended protest for 2 more days. US Secret Service director quit days after shooting at Trump's rally. Now, some sports news. Pakistan Cricket Board to step up focus on National A junior team programs for players' exposure. Afghanistan assured its participation in 2025 Champions Trophy, PCB sources. Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and Ravindra Jadeja decided to quit T20 internationals. Now, business related news. SBI chairman hailed budget for very inclusive approach. Government to spend 15.27 lakh crore for major sectors union budget. Income tax slabs capital gains changes announced in budget 2024. And that's all in news. Thank you.